Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning page number 59 of Qaida, and it is regarding different rules of Waqf, how you stop at the end, end of the word. So these are the different ways to stop. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صادقين. How will you stop صادقين? You will simply give sukoon at the end, and when you are giving temporary sukoon at the end and you see two counts long vowel behind it, then you will change it to 4 counts, and this is called mad arid lis-sukoon. So mad arid lis-sukoon, rule of mad arid lis-sukoon is working over here. So صادقين, and you will give tawassut on noon when you will stop at the end. Make it 4 counts long here. صادقين مستمر. So whenever any letter is with tashdid and you are stopping at the end, any letter with tashdid and it gets stopped at the end, then you will apply nabar. And nabar is a jump of sound. And here the ra will be light when you will stop at the end. When you will continue saying it, ra will be heavy here. Mustamirun, and it will be light here. Mustamir. Mustamir. You are applying nabar and you are making it light. This is the same way mad arid lis-sukoon, and how you will give sukoon at the end of ha. This column is, you see how it is written, and this other column tells you how to say it when you will give stop, when you will give waqf at the end. So this is the same thing, but giving you the other option. So fihi, fi 2 counts long, and he is short here. How will you stop at the end? You will make it 4 counts long because you are giving temporary sukoon at the end. When there is a temporary sukoon at the end and you see long vowel behind it, you will change it into 4 counts long, and this is called mad arid lis-sukoon. So you will say, and ha will get rukhawa because ha will be with sukoon. Fi, how will you stop in continuation? In wasl? Fihi. How will you say when you will stop? Fi. And give rukhawa at the end. Kha is heavy. Khashi'atun. You will apply tawassut. But when you are stopping, the circle ta, this circle ta will be changed into ha. This is always the rule. Whenever you see this circle ta marbuta, you will change it into ha. When you say in continuation, how will you say it? Khashi'atun. How will you say when you will stop? Khashi'ah. Ain will not be long because there is no condition to make it long. So it will stay short and it will be attached with ha. Ha will get rukhawa. When ha is with sukoon, it always gets rukhawa. The sound should flow. Khashi'ah. Qadiru. Qa is heavy. D 2 counts long. Oru. When you are stopping at the end, what you will do? You will give sukoon at the end, and before that you see 2 counts long, you will make it 4 counts long now. And ra with sukoon will get tawassut. And it is this heavy or light? Light, because ra with sukoon, whenever you find ya before it, simply this ra will be light. You will not think any more else, any other thing. Just make it light. Qadir. Whenever ra is with sukoon and you find ya before it, that's it. Story is done. Nothing, you have to see nothing else. Just make it ra light. Qadir. Qadir. This is the other letter with ta marbuta, circle ta. Whenever you see at the end, you change into ha. Quwwatan. Quwwatan. How will you stop? Quwwah. Quwwah. There will be rakhawa at the end. Whenever you find tanween fath, you'll make it 2 counts long. This is mad iwad. Qadiran. How will you stop? Qadira. La. Who 2 counts long here. But when you will stop, it will be la. How will get sifa of rakhawa? La. Sha. How will get rakhawa? Rin. When you will say in wasl, continuation, the ra will be heavy, light here because there is kasra on ra. Shahrin. How when you will stop, it will be heavy because letter before it is with sukoon. Then you will check the second letter, and that is sheen, and it has fatha. So the effect of fatha will continue to ra, and ra will be heavy now. Shahru. How will get sifa of rakhawa, and ra will get tawassut. Shahru, and ra will be heavy. Qadirun alladhi. This we have already discussed how to pronounce it because there is noon with sukoon at the end and there is sukoon in the beginning. So these two sukoons cannot cope up. So we will give kasra to the first sukoon, and that is noon, and we will give kasra to noon, and that will be qadirun alladhi. قدير الذي. Or if you wanted to stop here, قدير الذي. Yeah, they wanted to teach you the how to give fatha dhamma kasra on the hamzatul wasl. So when you will find alif lam, then you will give fatha. After this hamzatul wasl, you find lam, then you will give fatha on hamzatul wasl. Alladhi. Lahwun. Lahw. You'll give sukoon to wow, wow, to make it waqf. So Shiba. Then again, after hamzatul wasl, there is alif. So you will give fatha on the hamzatul wasl. As-sama'u. As-sama'u. How will you stop? Shiba. As-sama'. At the end, you will give sukoon. Yasha'u. How will you stop? Yasha'. قل صدق الله. This will be متعدد للسكون again. قل صدق الله. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.